To add a promotional code, open the Google Sheet Product Management file, then go to the sheet name, Setting Coupon Management. Here you'll find some examples of pre-created promotional codes for your reference. You can delete them to add your own new codes. Now, let's start creating a new promotional scenario. We'll add a new row to the table. First, enter the promotional code. For example, my coupon 123. Next, enter the type of discount. There are two types: percent, meaning a percentage discount, and fix, meaning a direct monetary deduction. For example, here we choose percent. Next, enter the applicable value. For example, 10 means a 10% discount. Next, enter the expiration date, the last day to apply the promotion. Next is the maximum usage count field, which indicates the maximum number of uses for the corresponding promotional code. For example, entering 20 means the code can only be successfully applied a maximum of 20 times. Following that is the coupon apply object field. There are three possible application objects for the promotion. First, total means the discount will be deducted from the total purchase price. Product means the promotion will apply to specific products. Category means the promotion will apply to specific product categories. For example, here we select product. Next is the coupon apply object's value field. In this field, you will enter the value of the object to which the promotion will be applied. There are three cases. If the application object is total, the entire invoice, then you will enter the minimum order amount to be eligible for the promotion. For example, 20,000 means the customer must purchase 20,000 or more to be eligible for the promotion. If applying to a product, you will enter the product ID. For example, if you enter 2, the promotion will apply to products with code 2. If applying to a category, you will enter the category ID. For example, if you enter 1, the promotion will apply to all products in the category with code 1. For example, if you want to apply the promotion to 3 products with product ID 1, 2, and 3, you would enter 1 semicolon 2 semicolon 3. Note that the objects are separated by semicolons. Here, we switch to sheet name 1 order management, which corresponds to product ID 1, 2, and 3, which are products named gift, ring, and gift 2. Similarly, the product category code category ID is done the same as the product code product ID. Now, let's return to sheet name 2 setting coupon management. Next is the column for the number of uses, number of use count. This column will have a formula already filled in the first row, highlighted in yellow. This formula will help you automatically count the number of successful coupon uses. Your task is to fill in the link to the Google Sheet order management that manages order information. This formula will point to that Google Sheet file and count. Just fill it in first. The following section will provide a more detailed description. We will start by filling in the link to the Google Sheet 1 order management here. We will reopen the Google Sheet that manages order information. In the address bar, copy the link to this file. Note that you should only copy up to the word edit. Observe the actions on the screen in the highlighted area. We only copy up to the word edit. We will return to the Google Sheet file product management. Go to the sheet name for setting up coupon management, 2 setting coupon management. Paste the copied link into cell B1. Then click on cell C1 next to it, and a message will appear asking you to agree to allow the connection of these two Google Sheet files. Click on Allow Access. Okay, the connection is complete. Now let's look at the detailed description of how the system counts the number of times the promotional code is used. Suppose when a customer orders and successfully applies the promotional code, my coupon 123. The information will be recorded in the file Google Sheets Order Management. In this example, if a customer applies the code, my coupon 123, the system will count it as one use. For example, if a customer applies the promotional code PRO12, the system will count it as one use. So, we now know how to add a promotional code and how the system works. This concludes the process of adding a new promotional code. A tip for you. You will see that the first cell of the last three columns of this table already has a formula. The cell with the formula is highlighted in yellow. If you accidentally deleted the formula in these cells, don't worry. There's also a formula in the notes section. Just copy it and paste it into the first highlighted yellow cell.